To solve this math problem, let's start by taking the power of 1 divided by x on what? On both sides. So if we do that, we're going to have that expression to become x to the power of 32 multiplying 1 divided by x equal to 2 to the power of x multiplying 1 divided by x. That way we can be able to clear out the value of x from the power of x from the right hand side. Using the law of indices, we'll have that expression to give us x to the power of 32 multiplying 1 divided by x equal to 2 to the power of x multiplying 1 divided by x. From this expression, x will have to cancel out x, and that will be equal to 2. And we will have this to become x to the power of 32 divided by x. Great. Now from this expression, we can simply simplify. To reduce this, we want to take the power of 1 divided by 32 on what? On both sides. So if we do that, we're going to have the power of x multiplying 32 divided by x multiplied by 1 divided by 32, and this will be equal to 2 to the power of 1 divided by 32. That way, the right hand side will simply be simplified. We'll have x to the power of 32 divided by x multiplying 1 divided by 32, and this will be equal to 2 to the power of 1 divided by 32. From here, you see that these will cancel out this, and hence we'll have that expression to now become x to the power of 1 divided by x, and this will be equal to 2 to the power of 1 divided by 32. So what do we do from here? At this point, we are going to simplify. And to simplify, I'm going to assume something over here. If I have my x to the power of 1 divided by x, this can be equal to 2 to the power of, let's say we have 2 divided by 2 multiplying 1 divided by 32. From here, you can see 2 divided by 2 can still be equal to 1, right? And 1 multiplied by 1 divided by 32 will still be equal to 1 divided by 32. So I have not changed anything in that expression. So from that expression, I can simply simplify. With my x to the power of 1 divided by x, I can have this to be equal to 2 to the power of 2, right? Or multiplying 1 divided by 2 multiplying 1 divided by 32. So that expression will give me x to the power of 1 divided by x equal to 2 to the power of 2 is 4, and 32 times 2 is going to give me 64. So I'll have 1 divided by 64. Great. Now in the next step, I'm still going to do that same thing. If I have x to the power of 1 divided by x equal to 4 to the power of 2 divided by 2, I've not changed anything, multiplied by 64. What would that give me? That will give me x to the power of 1 divided by x equal to 4 to the power of 2, right? Or multiplied by 1 divided by 2 multiplying 1 divided by 64. Now 64 multiplied by 2. That expression will now give me x to the power of 1 divided by x equal to 16 to the power of 1 divided by, this is going to give me 128. Great. Now in the next step, I'm still going to do the same thing. I'll have x to the power of 1 divided by x equal to 16 multiplying 2 divided by 1 by 2 multiplying 1 divided by 128. Right? That will give me 1 multiplying the power of 1 divided by 128. So if you multiply that, we'll have that expression to now give me x to the power of 1 divided by x equal to 16 to the power of 2, or multiplying 1 divided by 2 multiplying 1 divided by 128. Now let's look at this. This will give us x to the power of 1 divided by x, right? And this will be equal to 16 square is going to give me 256, right? And 256 is going to give me 1 to the power of 1 divided by 128 times 2 is going to give me 256. So you see the denominator same with the numerator. Now from this expression, you can agree with me that my x is equal to 256, and that is the solution to that math expression given to me up there. Now from this expression, we are going to verify to find out if our solution is actually right. From the initial question given, what's the initial question given? X to the power of 32 equal to 2 to the power of x. Let's insert the value of x equal to 256 and see if we'll get the actual solution. We have x to the power of 32. Will it be equal to 2 to the power of x with x equal to 256? Let's check out. If we do that, we're going to have this to give us x, or 256 to the power of 32 equal to 2 to the power of 256. Now if we simplify that, will they be equal? If we simplify this, we'll have 256 to the power of 32 will be equal to 2 to the power of, we can find the factor of 256, and that will give us 8 multiplied by 32, right? So this will give us 256 to the power of 32 equal to 2 to the power of 8 multiplied by the power of 32. 2 to the power of 8 is going to give us 256. So we'll have 256 to the power of 32 equal to 256 to the power of 32. So that tells us, since this is equal to this, that tells us that our x equal to 256 is a solution that satisfies that exponential equation given to us up there. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified math content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.